In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Mozilla Thunderbird. This is an essential task that helps keep your inbox organized and ensures that unnecessary emails are not taking up space. Let's dive right in. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. You will see the familiar interface with your email accounts listed on the left side. This is where you manage all your emails. It is a straightforward process that sets the stage for what comes next. By opening Thunderbird, you make sure you have access to all your email folders, including the trash. This initial step is crucial because without launching the application, you cannot proceed with emptying the trash folder. Next, in the folder list on the left, locate the Trash, Deleted or Deleted Items folder. Keep in mind that different email providers may use different names for this folder. It is important to identify the correct folder since this is where all your deleted emails reside. If you have recently deleted a significant number of emails, finding this folder will help you manage and clear out unnecessary clutter. Once you identify it, you will be one step closer to a clean inbox. Now, right-click the folder. This action will open a context menu that presents various options related to the trash folder. Right-clicking is essential because it allows you to access specific functions that are not available through the main menu. This small action can save you time and effort, especially if you are accustomed to using context menus for quick access to features. From there, select Empty Trash or Empty Deleted depending on your email account. This choice will initiate the process of permanently removing all emails from the trash folder. This step is significant because it ensures that all unwanted emails are deleted at once rather than having to remove them individually, which can be tedious. After this action, you'll notice a lighter and more organized email experience. Confirm the deletion if Thunderbird asks. This is a critical moment because it ensures that you are intentionally removing those emails. By confirming, you prevent accidental deletions, providing an added layer of security. This reassurance is vital, especially if you have emails that you might need in the future. You can also empty the trash from the menu bar by selecting File followed by Empty Trash. This alternative method provides another way to accomplish the same task. It can be especially useful if you're more comfortable navigating the menu bar instead of using the right-click option. This flexibility in methods is a great feature of Thunderbird, catering to different user preferences. If you have many emails in the trash folder, you do not need to delete them one by one. Emptying the folder removes all of them at once. This point is crucial because it saves you considerable time and effort. Rather than manually sifting through emails, you can streamline the process and ensure your trash is emptied efficiently. If the empty trash option is missing or not working, try this. Open the trash folder, press Ctrl and A to select all messages, and then press Delete. Some users report that this solves the problem, so it's a handy workaround to know. This alternative method can be beneficial if technical issues arise, ensuring you still have a way to manage your deleted emails effectively. Finally, compact your folders occasionally to recover disk space after deleting messages. This practice helps maintain the performance of Thunderbird and keeps your email application running smoothly. It is a simple yet effective way to optimize your experience and ensure that your account remains efficient and uncluttered. Note, the trash folder is different from the junk or spam folder. This distinction is important to remember as emptying the trash will not affect any emails in those folders. Being aware of this difference will help you manage your emails effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in keeping your Thunderbird organized.